Joo, oleme kutsunud niisugune üritus nagu golf, ehk siis me proovime mängida golfi lume peal. Ehk kohe näete, mis saame hakkame hästi palju kukkuma.
What's up? It's gonna be fun times. West side. We got him live. We got him live. Now watch me as I spit a rhyme hotter than a flame. Straight out of the Dragon Bros, probably the same. Walking down the avenue, my attitude.
Võistluse idee on siis see, et sul on 18 nii-öelda challenge'id, mille iga challenge jaoks meil on paberi peal kirjas, et nagu mitme traiga pead ära tegema. Mida vähem traisid, seda parem, nii et kõik peavad endast parima andma.
No nii, esimene rada oli väga keeruline. Switch'is, jalg lahti. That is some new school shit.
Ma tegin 5 katsega ära, Oliver vist tegi ka 5 katsega ära.
Tegin ka 5-ga.
Tegid või? Nice.
Enough people pay attention and it's getting you paid. Try to swim across the ocean, then it's easy to drown. Just learn how to float and it'll keep you around. The industry is saying you should make that sound. That one hit wonder wall, I'ma break that down. Cause I'm a real fly dresser, true rap spitter. End of the day, I'm just a cool ass nigga. If you making moves, I can do it out with ya. But if you just sitting, I can do it out with ya. Coming a microphone checker, slide like electric. Just for the record, I would die for my records. They say we too reckless, I say they too timid. Give me the business, give me the witness, just to verify I did it. This ain't Twitter, this is realer. We lyrical gorillas. I was listening to Dilla right before I was a dealer. So I'ma gather green before I start showing off, incorporating all my humbleness and braggadocious bars. But it's hard to be humble when you look like this. The rich white kids in the hood like this. What's the dollars in your wallet if your soul ain't rich? I ain't fist pumping, bro, I'm putting up my fist. I use my breath to spit it till there ain't no units left. Find a couple Jews to get, then send a check to UNICEF. Now who's the best? You can see my rise, this ain't Jersey Shore, but you gon' see my side of the story. This my side of the story. It's my side of the story. And we do this for the glory. You better pray. Yeah, what's us? We the chosen ones. Me and my niggas been waiting too long. Now we kicking the door down. So you monkeys got 3 options. You could get with it, get out the way, or get your mark ass ran over. I'm a real fly dresser, true rap spitter. End of the day, I'm just a cool ass nigga. If you making moves, I can do it out with ya. But if you just sitting, can't do it out with ya. Got rap sounding like crap without the C. So I see it's up to me to save the mic and make these haters and fakers alike just take a hike. It's no pressure, the children of a lesser. I'm dad and professor, do their daughters on their dressers after lectures. Make them vacate the sector, they way late, I'm 8 steps ahead and way fresher. Too funky for a mint flavored Tic Tac. Cooler than the Goonies with a pimp named Slickback. You be twisting, plotting like Stewie Griffin. And Tony Blues in the hospital, new admissions. A chatterbox immune to writer's block. More vivid than Magnavox and sly as a fox. Serving it to you right out the pot. Piping hot Jersey slop that's top notch. Yeah, now let me make one thing clear. I'm officially here, yo, this is my year, so yeah, now let me make one thing clear. I'm officially here, kid, this is my year, dig. Yes, kid, I'm back, what's messing with that? All others pale in comparison, catching the flack. I march to the front, they step to the back. Spark up a blunt, instead I'm head of the pack, sharp as a tack. Words to the balls in my sack, these artists ain't worth the sweat off my balls. I'm so much better than y'all. A drunk apostle, sponsor of slutty brothels, known for mutilating something like hostile. These losers don't have a clue of how I do what I do with style out the wazoo. Like 1-2, I'm liver than any other. Reach through any test and pass and fly flying colors. Unsigned and undiscovered, unseen, unclean, slept on like bugs under the covers. Coming for the whole kitchen sink and the covers. Toast up a drink and then go and get you another. My year, so I got my head above water, baby, I ain't sinking. Think you can fuck with me, maybe you ain't thinking. Can't stand the heat, get the fuck out the kitchen. Wanna hear some heat, shut the fuck up and listen. For the game, I got exactly what it's missing, exactly what it lacks. You should pat me on my back, like you put the boom back, like exactly how you should. Not like these other cats, all they raps is no good. Ain't a spot in your hood, I'm sugar walking through. Kids got it twisted in need of a stern talking to. Fuck is wrong with you? V is not a game. I can wear white to a barbecue and leave without a stain. I'm a mandingo author, eating kids like roast duck and mango salsa. I'm like the hardest that you thought was sharper. The scalpel like a retarded barber. Real talk, bruh. Yeah, now let me make one thing clear. I'm officially here, yo, this is my year, so yeah, now let me make one thing clear. I'm officially here, kid, this is my year, dig.